Let's make Halloween peanut butter cups. Add 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 2 teaspoons of softened butter, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt to a bowl and mix. Then add about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and mix until you have a Play-Doh consistency. Add more powdered sugar if necessary. Next, melt about 5 ounces of chocolate, either in the microwave with bursts of 30 seconds then stirring, or on the stovetop with the double boiler method. Pour a bit of melted chocolate in each of the cavities of the Halloween mold. Then give it a shake or tap it to spread the chocolate out. Chill about 10 to 15 minutes in the fridge. Take a little bit of peanut butter filling and shape it so it fits the mold. Then add more chocolate on top. Do this with the rest of them. Shake or tap it again so the chocolate spreads out. Chill 10 to 15 minutes until the chocolate has set. Remove them from the mold and serve. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website in thekitchenwithmatt.com.